name is Aradhya Agarwal, class secondary from Agarsen Public School. आज मैं आपको गेम के थ्रू मेजरमेंट करना सिखाऊंगी. होप आप सब इस गेम को बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. Let's start it. This is our traditional game, गिल्ली डंडा. अब हम इसे नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मेथड से मेजर करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 foot span. Span. अब हम इसे स्टैंडर्ड मेथड से मेजरिंग करेंगे. दिस इज आवर मेजरिंग टेप. वन 50 सेंटीमीटर. 150 सेंटीमीटर and 35 सेंटीमीटर. 150 plus 35 is equal to 185 सेंटीमीटर. होप आप सबने इस गेम को मेरे साथ बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा और मैंने भी इस गेम को बहुत एंजॉय किया. इसी तरह से हम अपने बेडरूम, स्टडी टेबल, साइकिल और बहुत सारी चीजों को स्टैंडर्ड और नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मेथड से मेजर कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
Good morning. My name is Radha Gupta. I am from class 3rd B, Agarsen Public School, Kurukshetra. Today I will celebrate my Teddy's birthday. Yay! Today is my Teddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Teddy. Look, you have many gifts. Oh, I knew. My teacher taught me about shapes. Today I will tell you, Teddy. See, this is your new mobile phone. Tell me what is the shape of this? This has cuboid shape. Cuboid shape has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. See, this is a new water bottle. Tell me what is the shape of this water bottle? This water bottle has cylinder shape. Cylinder shape has 3 faces, no vertices and 2 edges. I hope that you learn these. Smart learner. See, this is your new ball. Do you know what is the shape of this ball? This ball has sphere shape. Sphere shape has 1 face, no edge and no vertices. I hope that you learn every shape. I know that you are a smart learner. See, this is your birthday cap. Do you know what is the shape this birthday cap is having? This birthday cap is having cone shape. Cone shape has 1 vertices, 2 faces, but 1 edge. I hope that you learn each and every shape. Bye.
My name is Dwansh Agarwal from class 3rd D. I did in Agarsen Public School. This is my mystery basket. Let me see what is inside the basket. Oh my God! This is a kite. It is beautiful. It is colorful. I love flying kite.
This is a cycle. It is beautiful. It is colorful. I love riding cycle. Wow, these are marbles. They are beautiful. They are colorful. They are made from glasses. I love to play with them. I learned to describe things with toys. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Amaulik Sharma. I am in class 4. I study in Agarsen Public School, Kurukshetra. Today I will show you that learning can be fun. We can learn so many things while playing. Here I am playing a traditional game, Carrom board. It was gifted by my parents on my birthday. In this game, we can see so many geometrical shapes like square, circle, straight lines, parallel lines, and practically understood some scientific concepts like force and friction. First of all, we can see that shape of carrom board is square. My teacher taught me that a square has 4 sides of equal length. The shape of coins and striker is round. When we strike the coin with the striker using force with our fingers by keeping striker on the 2 straight lines which are parallel. When the striker and coins counter friction from the board and don't move freely as required, we put talcum powder or special carrom board powder to reduce the friction between the board and coins. Isn't it amazing? Moreover, this game improves the coordination between our fingers and brain. So, you can see that how much we can learn through fun by playing this traditional game. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Siddharth Singhal, student of Agarsen Public School in class 5th.
Hello Siddharth, what are you doing?
Hello Mama, I am playing with Rubik's Cube. Mama, you know this Rubik's Cube is solid in shape?
Solid? Do you know what is solid?
Yes Mama, sure. All things around us are made up of atoms and molecules. When molecules are closely packed, they cannot move freely. They are fixed in shape, so they are solid. Molecules in liquids are less tightly packed and hence do not have fixed shape. Like we add some water in a glass, so they become a fixed shape like a glass, like juice, bottle. Mama, I will tell you one of the most popular game is Gittit. Mama, in my hands, this is 4 solid stones. We can also learn fraction from them. Now we have 4 solid stones. I picked 1, so the fraction is 1 by 4, and the remaining is 3 stones, so the fraction is 3 by 4. Now I picked 2, so the fraction is 2 by 4, and the remaining is 2 solid stones. The fraction is 2 by 4, and now I picked third stone, so the fraction is 3 by 4, and the remaining is 1 solid stone, so the fraction is 1 by 4. Now I picked all the 4 stones in my hand, so the fraction is 4 by 4, and we also said that 1 whole.
Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Good morning. Please give your introduction. I am Pranati Kaushik, studying in class 5th A in Agarsen Public School, Kurukshetra. Nice. What will you teach today? Well, today I will teach you about interjections and their usage. Wow, it will be very interesting and helpful for us. Yes, of course. A word expressing a sudden or strong feeling is called an interjection. Interjection capture short spurts of emotions like surprise, joy, disgust, pain, or excitement. Like, can you give us examples of interjection? Yes, definitely. Such as a is used to express delight, relief, regret, or scorn. For example, this coffee is good. There, is expressing pleasure. Very nice, Pranati. Alas is used to express grief. For example, alas, she is dead now. Oh. Yes, my friend, you pronounce the word oh is also an interjection. It is used to express wonder or disapproval. Thanks, Pranati, for explaining. Tell us about some more interjection words. Yes, I am telling. Bravo is a word which is used for appreciation, such as bravo, Vikas has taken a wicket. Very nice, Pranati. Carry on, please. Ouch is expressing a sudden pain, such as ouch, you trod on my toe. Ouch, you are learning very fast, Aditi. Ouch, something sting me, Pranati. Please carry on. Wow shows excitement or wonder, such as wow, what a beautiful car. Wow, you are looking beautiful. Thanks, Pranati. Aditi, I am not praising you. I am giving you examples of wow. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Hooray expresses joy, approval, or encouragement, such as hooray, my team has won the match. That's all for Aditi. I think you understand the usage of interjections. Yes, Pranati. Thanks.
Hi everybody, my name is Arun Garg of class 5th B of Agasan Public School, Kurukshetra. Come, let's meet my two friends. Hi, what is your name? My name is Amit. What is your name? My name is Rohit. Wow, Rohit, you are looking great today. Thank you. What did you say? Wow? Yes. What is that word? Wow. That is interjection. Don't you know about it? No, dear. How do you know about that? My teacher told me. Please, will you tell me also? Yes, of course. The words like oh, ouch, hooray, wow, etc. are interjections. Okay, tell me more. Interjections are the words that express our feelings or emotions. That's interesting. You told me a very good thing. Thank you. Welcome.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sunidhi Sandal, 5th C from Agarsan Public School. Here I am doing a grammatic activity using hand puppets. Hey Shruti.
Hey Sunidhi,
Shruti, what was you doing in your home?
I was studying Sunidhi.
Oh, do you know what are adjectives?
No, I don't know what are adjectives.
Adjective are the word providing additional information on a noun or a pronoun.
Oh,
There are different type of adjectives.
please tell me the name of different type of adjectives.
Okay. Adjective of quantity, proper adjective, demonstrative adjective, adjective of number, adjective of quality, interrogative adjective, and distributed adjectives.
Oh, so these are all adjectives.
Yes, Shruti.
Thank you Sunidhi for telling me. Now I know all type of adjectives.
Welcome, Shruti.
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम रूहानी अग्रवाल है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं की छात्रा हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम अग्रसेन पब्लिक स्कूल है। मेरे शहर का नाम कुरुक्षेत्र है। आज मैं आपको एक खेल के माध्यम से हिंदी व्याकरण का विषय संज्ञा समझाने की कोशिश करूंगी। उम्मीद है आपको इस खेल में बहुत मजा आएगा। अब हम अपना खेल शुरू करते हैं। तो मेरे खेल का नाम है सांप सीढ़ी। ये है मेरे पास सांप सीढ़ी का बोर्ड, ये है मेरे पास डाइस, ये मेरे पास बाउल्स हैं। ये बाउल मेरे लैडर के लिए है और ये बाउल मेरे लिए स्नेक के लिए है। अब मैं अपना खेल शुरू करती हूँ। अब आया मेरे पास नंबर 2, 1 2। अब यहाँ पर सीढ़ी है। अब मैं सीढ़ी जब भी चढ़ पाऊंगी जब मैंने अपने बाउल में से एक चिट निकालकर उसका उत्तर सही दिया हो तो। अब मैं अपना प्रश्न पढ़ती हूँ। संज्ञा किसे कहते हैं? मतलब संज्ञा की डेफिनेशन बतानी है। किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान अथवा भाव के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं। क्या ये मेरा उत्तर ठीक है?
हाँ जी।
अब मैं अपना डाइस फेंकती हूँ। अब आया है मेरा नंबर 1। मैंने 1 नंबर चल लिया। अब मैं नीचे जब भी आऊंगी जब मेरा उत्तर गलत होगा, अगर जो ठीक होगा तो मैं अपनी गेम को आगे बढ़ाऊंगी। अब मैंने बाउल में से एक चिट ले ली है। उस पे क्वेश्चन है, क्या महीनों और दिनों के नाम संज्ञा शब्द हैं? संज्ञा शब्द है? नहीं, संज्ञा शब्द नहीं है। तो क्या ये मेरा उत्तर ठीक है?
नहीं, ये आपका उत्तर गलत है। महीनों और दिनों के नाम संज्ञा शब्द होते हैं।
ओ शेट, अब मेरे को नीचे आना पड़ेगा, पर कोई बात नहीं, अब मैं आगे चलूंगी। अब मेरे पास आया है नंबर 3, 1 2 3। अब 3 पे यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सीढ़ी है। अब मैंने लैडर वाले बाउल में से एक चिट निकाली है। सही या गलत बताओ। क्रोध एक जगह का नाम है? नहीं, क्रोध जगह का नाम नहीं है, वो एक भाववाचक संज्ञा है। अब क्या ये मेरा उत्तर ठीक है?
जी बिल्कुल।
अब मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ। अब आया मेरे पास नंबर 6 एंड नंबर 5। 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5। अब आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे स्नेक है। अब मैंने स्नेक वाले बॉक्स में से एक चिट ली है। स्नेक वाले बाउल में से एक चिट ली है। अपने आसपास के 2 संज्ञा शब्द बताओ। मेरे आसपास के 2 संज्ञा शब्द है, एक गुड़िया और दूसरा शब्द है जिसमें मैंने अपनी चिट्स रखी हैं, वो ये बाउल और गुड़िया। क्या ये मेरा उत्तर ठीक है?
जी बिल्कुल।
मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपको इस खेल में मेरे साथ बहुत मजा आया होगा। धन्यवाद।
Hello, I am Avni Sharma of class 5D, student of Agrasen Public School, Kurukshetra. I am playing basketball game. I love to play this game. While playing this game, I learn some scientific terms. Here, I am applying force with my arms. My ma'am taught me that while we apply force with our muscles, this is known as muscular force. The force applied by our hands or legs is called muscular force. It is so called because we apply this force with the help of our muscles. Here you can see I am throwing the ball in upward direction, but it is coming back to me because of gravitational force. We know that the earth pulls everything towards it. In doing so, it applies a pull called the gravitational force. You see that with the help of the toys, we learn many valuable topics. Thank you.